When I left Google, I kind of left this, freight train that was barreling down the tracks, producing lots of paper and lots of things. So that was really difficult. And since then, I published a few papers, but doing things mostly quietly because we have a company. So, in terms of uh, giving new talks and the like, that has gone down. But I know internally we've been discovering a lot of ideas, and I'm really enjoying that. And also, you have your own company, you set your own company culture. And I feel very comfortable with all the people I'm working with. They just have their hearts in it in the right way that I really enjoy. And in the end, that's what matters. But I'm just be honest, it is hard because at Google, I was with a big group. We're making a lot of progress, doing a lot of things, and I just had to leave that. And that was hard. It still bothers me, but okay, it was the right thing to do. Everyone knows the pros and cons of working for a big company. And I'm going to say that at Google, there is a lot of politics. And, I don't think about politics. I don't play politics. I don't do that stuff. And, it was just, I just didn't fit in at the end because I didn't do what you were supposed to do. And in the end, first I had 1 over N authority of the group, and then I had negative authority. And so, what's the point of them paying you well when no one's listening to you? Whereas when you have your own company and you work with good people, then you're talking about that, and you're making good decisions and moving forward. We don't have as much money, so it's very hard to make a broad progress in it. But we're really working hard on the fabrication and have some good ideas. And again, working with really great people. This is just amazing. We've had some new hires lately, really experienced people in semiconductors that making the world a difference.